Yo, people. People, how's everybody doing? Welcome to a brand new streaming. How's everybody doing? Trade or die. Welcome. Brand new streaming, people. Today, you're going to learn how to trade or how to use pocket option as a pro. Welcome. As usual, let me know where you guys are saying hi from. Hopefully, we don't have bad connection today with the camera and stuff, with the internet. I'm not using the desktop computer. I'm sorry. I'm lazy. Like I didn't do anything. Like literally, it's right there. The cable that I messed up with, it's right there. So you're gonna have to apologize. You're gonna have to forgive me. I apologize. So welcome people. As usual, smash the like when you're coming, watching even this on the replay or live. Go ahead and smash the like button as usual. And let me know where you're saying hi from. I'd like to know where my audience is actually coming from today. Today we're gonna learn how to use pocket option as a pro. Do you want to be a pro in pocket option? Can I make money from pocket option? Yes, sir, you can. Or ma'am, I'm not sure. Pocket Option AI System is a YouTube channel with a bot that actually works. I'm getting around 80% wins lately. I actually looked that up. And I found a couple of AI robots for Pocket Option, but I'm not sure. I even contact them, one of them, and they said that I need to open like an account with them. I'm not gonna reveal the name or anything because I'm not doing any type of promotions. Uh, and basically, what they want is 10% of every profits that I made with the bot. It's 100% free. I found that like a nice deal, but it's an affiliate link, so it could be just for getting commissions. You know. All right, we got people from Kenya. We have people from South Africa, Canada, South Sudan, India, Canada, Memphis, Tennessee. I was supposed to be in Memphis last week. I couldn't go. Can you get successful from pocket option? Yes, sir. I'm from the Netherlands. How you doing? And like the way you explain things. I appreciate that. I try to do my best. Sometimes I snap. I apologize about that. Sometimes I get pissed. And I never insult anyone, but I tend to be condescending and sarcastic. So just let me be. So welcome. Go ahead and smash the like, and we're gonna start with the training. As usual, we're gonna have a Q&A. We're always gonna have a Q&A. And people from the States, Delaware, how you doing? Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, I actually posted this on Instagram, like asking you guys, like, what is it that you guys are thankful for? I didn't get that many questions, so I didn't reply. But you can say what you guys are thankful for right here. How's Pablo doing? I'm not sure. He's my friend still, but I'm not sure if he's trading. Can we get a link to to register on Pocket Option in the description, my people? In the description of this video, you're gonna get a link. I'm gonna put it right here. If you're gonna use Pocket Option as a brand new account, or you want to help me opening an account with my affiliate link, it's right there in the live chat. It's in the description of this video. It would I would really appreciate it. And if you just simply you suck if you don't want to use my link for anything. We're gonna place a couple trades live right here. OTC most likely. I do see some good payouts on real markets, but today, due to holidays, you can see there's very little movement in the candlestick. So we don't like those markets. So most likely we're gonna place a couple trades on OTC. Can you turn this 7,000 into 100,000? If so, in how much time? It would probably take me like a month of or so, like trading aggressively. I don't do that anymore. Like honestly, I'm more focused towards education and just making like look, there's a moment when you have so many sources of income and when you have been doing this for so long that you just do what it's necessary. Okay? I'm not saying I'm not going to do it anymore. All I'm saying is that I only do what's necessary, sometimes 5, 6 trades in a day. Hold on, because I have a customer, man, that it's like really getting into my nerves. Some people buying the auto trader and they don't even know. They don't even know how to connect MT4 and stuff, man. Come on. I know. Let me see. I know the strategy. I make money, but don't. How lost it all the time. Emotions. Is there any bot you recommend for Forex? The BLW Auto Trader is the best one in the world. Numbers confirm it. 26%. No, 26% this month. I'm not even sure. 24, 26, something like that. UK here, how you doing? Probably working with you for the last 2 years. Thank you for teaching us, coach. I appreciate it. Welcome, Richard. Always see you around. A lot of people watching this streaming, but very few likes. Go ahead and smash the like button, people. Is that possible also in OTC? You mean churn? What do you mean? What are you asking if it's possible? All right, people, who's very new here on Pocket Option? Like, don't raise your hand because I can't see you, but just say me in the live chat if you're very new in Pocket Option. Let me see how much battery I have on my camera. Hold on. Fully charged. I didn't want to go out of battery. So who here is very new in Pocket so that we can start from the beginning. If there are no new people, then I can teach you like all of the like the best features of it, the features that probably some people don't understand, and so on. In OTC, I would do it on real markets. It's possible, but you know. All right, kind of new. All right, cool. Look, Pocket Option is a binary options broker. All right, majority of people knows this. So Pocket Option, basically what it does is that it allows you to trade inside of the trading platform. Pocket Option is not the owner of the markets, such as no broker is the owner of the markets, and it allows you to trade with instruments on different deals actually. Because for instance, if you actually go right here, you're gonna have all of these like tabs. You have the currencies, which is exactly what we trade. You also have cryptocurrencies, either OTC or real, but the real are not applicable at this time, probably is because it's closed. Then you have commodities as well. You got stocks, you got indices, you got this. These are my favorites. And then you have a schedule, I guess. It says the asset is available for the special time. Oh, it is going to be available only at this time. Okay. I don't even know what this tab is for. But this is everything that it's available as an options trader. Okay. They also offer Forex and stuff, but I only use it for binary. I'm never going to use it for Forex. Why? For Forex, there are too many other brokers that you can use. You guys are too quiet. Go ahead and put on the live chat hashtag BLW, like just like that, or happy Thanksgiving or something. So That's what pocket option is. If you go into this area, you're gonna find the OTC pairs, and if it doesn't say OTC, it means it's a real market. Okay. Um, for real market, let me just go ahead and close the ones that we don't need due to low payout and stuff. So these three pairs are the only ones that are available right now to trade. But like I said, we're not going to trade with it. Take a look at the movement. It's not good. Let me just go ahead and choose a nice OTC pair. There you go. This is usually what the market looks like when it's not Thanksgiving. And so as you can see right here, you have a trading chart. What you need to know is where to place the trade, where you have the indicators, where you have the trading tools for you to trade manually. We can talk about copy trading and social trading in just a little bit, but this is what you need to understand. This is the expiration time. Okay, if you switch right here, it will expire at an actual time zone, not a time. So this will expire 12:15 my local time, which is in about 2 minutes. If you switch it right here, you can select an actual expiration time. Could be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Are we cool with that? I get a question with the 30-second strategy and 50 RSI strategy. Is it better to trade in the morning because of the movement of volume? I know the time is a big deal. Yep, the morning for me, like Central Time or New York time. Yep, it's way better. Hello, Chris. How many sell trades can I open if the price keeps on going up? Up until you reach your drawdown. So if you draw down, let's say it's at 10% and you reach 10% by multiple entries, stop right there. You need to have a trading plan for it. Okay, so now here we have the trades, we have the closed, and if we open a position, it's gonna show right here. Here we have signals and so on. I honestly don't use any of this. What you could use and I could use is the pending trades, but the pending trades will basically depend on why is it that you're gonna enter a pending trade. For instance, one of the best ways to trade binary options is with support and resistance. As a matter of fact, I remember 2016, I used to send signals for another group. It was called Michael Freeman's group. I used to send signals there, demo, and then I created my own group, like Binary Living Way. But when I did that, I used to send signals based on support and resistance. That was it. And you can trade like that. There's a little like brush right here. If you see it on Pocket Option platform, if you click on it, it's going to give you some drawing tools. So the drawing tools that you could use, it could be horizontal line, it could be Fibonacci, it could be trend line, it could be rectangle, and so on. The ones that I consider to be the best ones is rectangle, horizontal, and trend line. That's it. Why? Or is like this rectangle is because then you can draw the support and the resistance. Like literally right here, we have a support. You could use the exact same function on the horizontal line. So the horizontal line, you could say, okay, here is a resistance. This is the support, that's the resistance. But you could also use a trend line for you to determine when there is a trend line, literally right here. As you can see, you can pretty much do anything inside a pocket option. Literally at this point right here, when this breakout happened, then you could have entered a call position and so on. Here, I would enter a call position. Let me just go ahead and enter a $1. I would say 5 minutes, honestly. $1 for 5 minutes, just to give you like the example. And as you can see right here, I'm not using any indicator. This is all price action. Can you trade like that? Yes, you can trade like that. As a matter of fact, I could even say that there's a trend right here. If you ask me like, Chris, how is it that you see all those trends like immediately? Well, I'm used to it. You know, I've been trading for so long. And this is one of my favorite strategies. And therefore, I can tell you up front that you can trade only with structures. As a matter of fact, if you see my note, my mouse pad, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I have some, I don't use them, but it's, you know, emblematic because it actually has all the strategies that I use. For instance, this is support and resistance on uptrend and downtrend, like, you know, the breakouts. Then you also have the exact same thing on downtrend. Then you have exponential moving average, which is something that I used to use. I have RSI right here. I have support and resistance right here. Fibonacci retracement is not something I can do. And I'll have all of this place full of structures that you can like picture right there and use in order to trade. So you can make a lot of money just by using drawing tools and not specifically indicators. Okay. I didn't see this, but I'm probably going to lose this trade, or it's going to be a very tight trade, but it's because I didn't see this trend. This trend that's literally been broken. I mean, even if I win it, I'll be risking a lot because the breakout seems like it's going down. So these are like the basic tools that you need in pocket options. So if you're going to be trading with support and resistance, then you can use the pending trade thing. How can you do that? I always would do it by asset price. That way you can know, like, here's the price, let's say right here, 88168. 88168, and you put like the pending trade. This, it's super important. On the pending trades on pocket option, you can like select what's gonna be like the minimum payout for your trade to get activated. I would say no less than 75%. So from 75% and above, if the payout is that, then I'm like the trade is gonna get activated. And then you select right here the expiration. It could be like the 5-minute, like I said. If you click on buy, there you go. You have a pending order right here. You can close it right here and cancel it if you want to. I will. You cancel it, you have no pending trades. Here are all the active trades. Is that making sense to you all? Like, is this part clear? Pending orders, structures, drawing tools. Because some people are like ask me on my old videos, like, how do you get this rectangle that you draw right there? Like, how do you get it when you send the signals? And it's right there. It's just a drawing tool. Can you use multiple screens right here? I would, only if you have like a curved monitor that can cover all of you. Like, you can clearly see everything. If not, just go with the actual full screen. It's way better. Why is it so hard to stop trading? Well, it's not really hard. Just stop. All right. Questions so far? I never use the double up thing. I could, like, literally right here. If you double up right there, it's actually going to enter another position, but at the actual new level where you clicked. So the expiration is going to be the same. This could work if you're going to be doing multiple entries. Like right here, I can double up again. There you go. And everything is going to expire at the exact same time. I don't do that. Like, I usually just click on the buy button. And so all of my trades, start to expire afterwards. You can use the rollover option. As you can see, I can confirm it, and instead of $1, it's gonna be $2. The same trade that I had. Yeah, I can roll over any of these. So I rolled over there for 1 more minute just to get like an extra minute, but I had to put twice what I invested. Do I recommend you to do that? Yes, if you're investing small and you can afford that extra minute. If you feel like, my guy, it's not going into the right direction because, I don't know, because the stochastic is forcing or whatever, but you're confident that it could go up, then you can do that, like the rollover thing. I never do that. I mean, but it's up to you. Can you cancel the trade? No, you can't. You can't cancel the trade. How to deal with losing money. There is an emotions training that I had on a previous live. I recommend you to go and check it out. Not like being rude or anything, but that training is going to help you out. Okay? I would like to buy the Forex Auto Trader. Can I use it on IC Markets? Yeah, you can use it on IC Markets. I noticed when I trade outside of the New York session in AM, I get more fake outs and price is not respected as much for RSI 50 and the 30-second. That's true. Which strategy is best to grow small count like $200? The 1 minute strategy. Hi Chris, what do you think about this plan based on the advice you gave before? Risk 2.5% a day, hit 2.5% or minus 2.5%, I'm done. Okay. I take 25 small trades totaling 2.5% risk. First two losses, I'm out. Yep, that's a good plan. That's a good plan. And you got to be patient though. First three wins, I'm out. Weekly limit 7.5%. Trading time 5-10 minutes. Good plan. I like that. You see the breakout on the trend actually? What's going on? Questions, people. Questions. That's a nice plan. Pretty simple, right? It's a pretty simple platform. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the extra stuff that we have right here. Because we always come in and just trade and that's it, and it's good. But they do have this place where it says signal, and you can copy signal. What happens here is that, what is this? How much would I risk? Okay, $1. So basically this amount that you have right here, you'll copy it. Okay, so you're sending both opposite signals. All right, so basically you have a signal service here. Well, you just press the call or put button and that's it. It's just gonna place the trade. I don't know, man. It looks like gambling to me. Does the breakout on your chart mean it's going down? That's correct. 10x your account, 100x, man, that happens in movies. It can, but does sub app give forex signals and live, or is it for binary? What sub app? What do you mean sub app? Yeah, well, I'm not sure about those competitors, if I can be honest with you. Like, I don't know any of them. But if I were you, I would have a trading plan that uh, would be suitable for my targets and realistic. If I were you. Oh, the BLW binary master app. The BLW binary master app is for binary, but you also get access to the BLW signals group. Like it's automatic. So for $29.99, you will get access to the signals group for Forex and also to the master app for binary. Can the 1 minute strategy be adapted to use 1 minute candle with a 2 minute expiration time? Yeah, look, the 1 minute strategy, the 50 RSI strategy, all the strategies are pretty much adaptable to any time frame. Obviously, it's gonna take more time, so you're gonna place less trades, but everything is adaptable because the indicators basically are telling you what has been going on with the markets so that you have an idea and you can do something similar. So it can happen at any time frame. The only reason why I do a turbo is so that you can place more trades in less amount of time. Why do you recommend not trading outside of the network sessions or weekends and not Fridays? Give me an insight. I like to know. I got awareness on why not, but want to hear from you directly. Well, weekends and OTC because it's not the real markets. And outside of the New York sessions, you can trade anytime you want to. The only problem is that the payouts are going to be lower and markets are going to move slower. That's the only problem. Now, when it comes to weekend and when it comes to Fridays, I trade on Fridays. It's just that usually Fridays, markets are a little bit more volatile, and so you could risk what you have made during the entire week. If you have a good money management control, then you're good to go. You can trade on Friday because I know you're not going to overtrade or anything like that. But if you're one of those people who continue to trade like aggressively because like this, I can't say your name, I'm sorry. But this user said about 10x, 100x, or even 1000x results on bucket option. If you want people that want to do that, don't trade on Fridays. I mean, don't ever do it. But you know what I mean. Like if you can't control your emotions, then you're done. Okay. Welcome, Alan. So I would appreciate if you guys smash the like button as usual to help us out. So this is the signals part. It seems interesting, but it looks like gambling, like to me. Now, social trading, it's a whole different game. Social trading is copy trading. I know this is a sensitive topic. I'm gonna get a bunch of questions in regards to it, but I want to ask you first that you are in the live chat. What do you think about copy trading? I read you. What do you think about copy trading? What's up? I didn't open super chat today. Not gonna dance, I guess. Gambling. Well, not really gambling because you're not placing trades. You're expecting someone else to place the trades for you. Let me ask a Paul. There's a poll right there for those of you who like to participate. Good tool if you know the user you copying to. That's right. I'd rather take my own. All right. I don't know anything about copy trading. Okay. Cool. Look, social trading in pocket option is this. You can copy any user inside of the trading platform that has a Pocket Option account. Anyone. Like you can become a trader who's being copied. Okay? I have tried the copy trading. Sometimes it works, but you don't have the full picture of what they're looking at. True that. I tried copy trading before and I ended up losing. Okay? Breakout retracement. What? You mean here? It's retesting the resistance. Then it's going to go down. Why you don't provide copy trading? I actually mentioned this yesterday on, I said that voice note in the group, in the Telegram channel. By the way, join the Telegram channel, 100% free in the description. The problem with copy trading is that one trader, like for instance, if I like start this copy trading thing, I don't know, let's say 50 people starts copying my trade. I trade with $200, right? And I don't know, I'm gonna have 50 users that trade with $100 each. That's $5,000 per trade. I won the two positions, by the way, on the signals thing. If we lose that trade, immediately $5,000 go to the broker. So imagine that I have 150 people and they average, I don't know, $400 per trade. That's $60,000 in one trade. I'm risking, let's say, $400 because it's my trade. You are risking $400 because it's your trade as well. So you're okay losing 400 because that's your trade. I'm okay losing 400. But by one pip, one movement, it can turn into $60,000 that the broker gets. You know how this business works. So if I were you, I mean, if I was a bad intentions company, I could do something in order for me to see that large amount of traders copying this user in order to get the benefit of it. Like I know I'm speaking code and some people won't understand, but that's all I can say right here. Big duh, the green candle, yeah. I'd rather learn and do it myself. It's better to build your lane and get better. It's cool though for people who don't got time copy trading, guys. Yeah, it's for everyone. Let's analyze this user. It doesn't have a name. He's got 172 followers. His name is Joanna. Guru level. 415 people watching. I'm not even sure if they're live. Today, 39 trades, 62% win rate, $52,000 and turnovers. That's a $16,000 profit. That's not bad at all. Social statistics. What is the same? Achievements. Okay. Let's see this other user right here. 80 followers, same thing. Let's send just now. 37 trades, 21,000. That's $10,000 profit. It's not bad. I could even copy them if I wanted to. $7,000 profit. All right, this person looks good. So this is what I want to do. I'm gonna hit it on copy, and I want copy in proportion 100%. I'm not gonna like his account is a lot bigger right now, so I would say 5%. 5% of their trading amount. If they're trading with $1,000, it's gonna be a $50. So I think that's okay. It's just a test. Stop my balance when I'm at, let's say, $6,000. $6,000. You know what? I'm gonna go with 7,000. $7,000. I'm gonna risk 800. Minimum copy trade amount $1. That's fine. Maximum trading amount, I would go. Well, that's okay because I have a 5%. The worst thing that could happen is that he actually trades with $3,000, and that's gonna be what, 360. 5%. It's gonna be what, $150. Yeah, I'm okay. So then I confirm, and that's it. I'm copying this trader. I have copied some people before, but they didn't place any trades, so we couldn't have any like results or anything. That's how easy it is to copy traders in pocket options. Maybe it would be nice to make a small group, like 10 users, and copying with small percentage, like 10%. Maybe. Yes, you can. I'm seeing that you have live sessions every day for $30. How many trades per day? With me, I place 4, 5, maybe 6 trades a day. Tops. This last 2 weeks, I ended up with 21 wins and 1 loss. Crazy. And then the rest of the day, you have a robot for the BLW Binary Master app sending signals all day long. I've seen the best traders blown by my people account. Yeah. Can we get yours as a test run? Nah. Sorry that I'm on the phone. I'm just withdrawing crypto, and I gotta do it now. Otherwise, Binance is like really strict. Do you guys smash the like button already or what? By the way, do you guys follow me already on Instagram, TikTok, and so on? You part of my Telegram channel? I'm sure you are. Do you trust butts? What butts? Why nasty? Am I nasty? What do you mean? What robot? I trust my butts for Forex. And the BLW Binary Master bot, it's basically based on the 30-second strategy, but for 3 minutes. It's interesting. But basically, it looks for overbought and oversold conditions, and then it tells traders when to enter. And it's actually really cool the fact that I've been testing different robots and so on, but now he actually sends, I don't know, let's say 7 trades or so. Today's Thanksgiving, so we're just not gonna have anything. But for instance, yesterday you only sent 2 trades, 2 winners. That was it. And it's super important that you understand that you got both. You got me trading, and you have um and you have um the robot sending signals. Okay. Yesterday I made $2,000. The day before I made $1,400 and so on. Yeah, I trade every single day at 8:30 Eastern time, 7:30 my local time, AM. That's 1 hour before market opens. With 50 RSI strategy, what's better? Staying on 5-minute candlesticks, stick when the RSI is reached, or jump into 1-minute candlestick and see sometimes in videos. You stay on 5-minute candlesticks and enter your trade. It's really up to you, but I would recommend you to go to 1-minute candles just to see the entry. All right, people who want to open a brand new account with Pocket Option, brand new account with Pocket Option, go ahead and check the link in the description of this video. Help me out, man. Small commissions. Always good to have some extra cash. Put in the link right there in the live chat as well, so you guys can open a brand new account. Do you use AI trading bot for signals in Telegram? No, it's MT4. It's pure and MT4. Is it because when 5 minute candles reach highest point and then 1 minute candles are definitely overextended for 1 minute with stochastic? I know it's confusing to look at both of the expiry of the candlesticks, but believe me, it's worth it. It's worth the hassle of like overwhelming with all these things. Once you actually get to understand it, as you can see for instance here, it was really easy for me to find a structure. Let me look for another example of a structure. What the hell? All right, this is crazy. I wouldn't trade this, but I can easily see this trend going on right now. It could be retracted really strong. I can also see a small support level here. I could even confirm that on 15 minutes to see if it actually does work as a support. Uh, it seems like it, and so on. So the more you actually get used to like understanding the charts and everything super fast, the better. Okay. Why your chart and my chart is different? I'm not sure. I'm in OTC if that's what you mean. What do you think about what do you think in grid bots in crypto, Chris? I don't even know what grid crypto bots are. Honestly, can you explain what it is? I don't need to open a Q&A today because you guys have been having a Q&A all streaming. So, any questions you guys have left? We've been live 45 minutes. Today's the day with the biggest audience live. Obviously, you guys are way more interested in Pocket Option, which is cool. We can have more and more streamings like this, one in Quotex and so on. And we are going to have some live trading streamings as well. It's okay. Ask as many questions as you want. Believe me, it's better if you ask me here than when you ask support. It's it takes a little bit more of time. Maybe I can just clear your questions real quick. Yeah, sometimes I do analyze patterns, but the binary signals are easier because they depend solely on indicators. So most of the times I just pretty much look at the charts and I know where I'm gonna be trading. Take a look at this drop. Um, but yeah, sometimes I support myself with some um, structures. I think we're getting another breakout here. Yeah, yeah. I would like to see more live streaming like this. By the way, my first time. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm streaming every day now, people. Every day at noon. Well, noon my local time. 12 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I also trade live every day at 7:30 Central Time. If you guys go to BLW uh, Binary Master App.com. What? It says encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings or using what? Fasting coding preset. I don't know what that is. I think I'm gonna stop using OBS. I'm gonna switch to another thing. It's okay to enter more than one trade in 1 minute strategy when you start seeing the retraction. Yeah, I always enter multiple times. On the 1 day chart, is that good to see what the day before highs and lows? It always helps. It always helps. The bigger the picture you have, the better. For instance, here, I could easily say higher high. This is the highest point. And I know I'm obsessed with the trend lines, people, but I can't help it. I see them. I see them all the time, everywhere. Take a look at this trend. It's not exact, but it's literally this right here. You did the same thing. It's true. That's what you need to do. Do you ever trade on your phone? I feel stochastic line crossover are harder to see on phone. No, don't never trade on your phone unless you don't have any other choice. Always better to have a monitor. What time frame are you using to analyze? Right now I'm just like doodling here, looking for some levels, but I usually analyze in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Planning to buy not only the auto trader but also the US 30 indicator. Guess what? Buy the BLW auto trader for $99.99 a month and I'll give you the US 30 indicator for free. Just like that. I feel like that. What does it mean when the stochastic line are far apart from each other or really close together? When they're far from each other is a great opportunity to enter because it means that there has to be a retraction. They can continue to go like this every time. But when they're really tied, it's very unsure. Not even sure if the word exists, but it's unsure where the direction is going to go. It's like 50-50. It could break up going like really strong or could break down. So yeah. Deal. All right. Go get it. And then tell my team I told you about it. Hi, Christian. My daily and hourlies are different than yours. Is there a reason why? Not sure. Maybe you're looking at real markets and me on OTC. I'm not sure. All right, people. Before I go, since you guys are here live, you are going to be the first ones to know what's going to be the Black Weekend discount. Black Weekend discount. It's 50% off. And guess what? It's already active. So if you guys will purchase this today, this thing is like getting stuck or whatever. I don't even know what an encoder means. What's an encoder? I have no idea. But if you guys get any of my products, you will get a 50% off by using the promo code BLW Black. Is this really getting stuck, or is it just me like imagine this stuff? BLW Black 2025. Let me say that up front. The promo code is BLW Black 2025. You're getting a 50% off on any product. Now, if you want to get the 70% off, because I said there were going to be a product with up to 70% off, that's going to be the BLW Trading Academy, which is only $29, and also the BLW US 30 indicator. BLW US 30 indicator is going to be at 70% off. Again, what's the promo code? I'm going to put it right here. BLW Black 2015. Try to put it all in caps if by any chance it's not working. 70% off. Hold on. This will expire on Sunday at midnight. I think my local time. And like I said, it's going to be the US 30 indicator and the BLW Trading Academy. All right, it says it's not working. So go ahead and use BLW Black 70. Just like that. BLW or BLW Black 70. It should work. Just use BLW Black, man. I mean, you guys are here. BLW Black, and you get 70% off on the BLW US 30 indicator and also on the BLW Trading Academy. BLW Black 2025 is going to be for any of my other products 50% off. Black Weekend sale starts right now. Any questions before? Okay, so I have no idea what's going on with the streaming, with the laptop. I guess it's overheating. I'm not sure. All right, so I don't know what I just did. I don't know, and I don't know what happened. Can you guys hear me now? I don't know. I apologize about. I don't even know what's going on. It's like I'm just looking at the screen, and it seems to be the laptop. I'm not sure. For the next streaming, I'm going to have the desktop. I promise for tomorrow. I'm actually gonna start moving this right now. But well, first of all, I just want to say goodbye. I was wondering, what's your question, Eric? Oh, I was wondering if I want to do the $99.99 a month plan to follow your trades on MT5. Is there a discount on that? 50% off. BLW Black 2025, 50% off on the first month right now. This offer is gonna end on Sunday. This is Black Weekend. Welcome, Black Weekend. You guys are the first ones to know. And yeah, that's gonna be it, people. I just wanted to say goodbye. Can I pay with Apple Pay? Yes, if your country allows it. I'm not sure if your country allows it. Just go to the website, go to payment, and see if it actually shows right there. Okay. All right, people. I'm gonna go before this computer crashes again. I appreciate you guys were here. See you guys tomorrow at noon. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.